Friend, today is my first lecture for standard 8. So before we standard 8 start maths, we have to know basic maths related with 5th, 6th, 7th. So before we start 8th standard maths, it is necessary that anyhow you have to learn 1 to 25 table compulsory. So what you have to do from today onward, you have to write up to the May end daily 1 to 25 tables 2 times, and you have to forward it to the classroom. So again you have to write 1 to 25 table, 1 to 25 square daily 2 times because it is necessary for calculation purpose. And you have also in 8th standard there is a one lesson square and square root, cube and cube root. So anyhow you have to learn 1 to 25 table 2 times, you have to write it in homework. 1 to 25 square you also write 2 times, 1 to 25 square you have to write 2 times, and 1 to 10 cube you also write 2 times. That is important for us. Again I am saying to you 1 to 25 table, 1 to 25 square and 1 to 10 cube. How you have to write, that is important. So some example related, if you are writing 25 square, then how you have to write 25 square is equal to 625. That way you have to write. If you are writing 25 square, then you have to write 576. So that way you have to write up to 1 to 25 squares and cube 1 to 10 cube. That you have to write daily 2 times. 1 to 25 table, 1 to 25 square and 1 to 10 cube, because it will be improve your basic maths. Because we are doing simple in maths, we are doing what we are doing generally, we are using DMAS everywhere. What is the meaning of DMAS? Generally we are using in maths 4 terms, that is divisible, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So nothing we are doing in maths, whether it should be 8, 9, 10, 11 or 12, we are doing 4 things, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and divisible. So when you in 5th or 6th and 7th standard, on that time you are doing addition, and then you are doing subtraction, and then you are doing multiplication, and then you are doing divisible. So first of all we have to know the rules for the addition. So these are the basic rules related with the addition and subtraction. In maths what you are doing every time? First of all we are doing addition. When you are in 5th, 6th, 7th standard, first sum comes from the addition. Then you are doing subtraction, then you are doing multiplication, and then you are doing divisible. So what we have to do again now, we must know that how we are using addition, subtraction basic rules. Because it is in 8, 9, 10, 10 and 11, 12, everywhere basic maths is necessary. Mostly we have seen that students are doing mistake in addition and subtraction. They are doing the whole sum properly, but last step, that is addition or subtraction, so they are doing the mistake. So first rule is rules for the addition and subtraction. What is the basic rule for addition and subtraction? So whenever you are doing addition or subtraction, 2 terms must be at the last. At the last, whenever number of additions are there, but in the last final answer, before only 2 terms are there. Either they have same sign or they have different sign. So what we have learned? Same sign. First of all we are discussing about the same sign. So if we discuss that, here if I will write plus 3 and plus 2, so you know that it is too much easy. But when you are doing big sum related with, we have to remember that when same sign is there, what you have to do? Addition. What you have to do? Addition. When same sign is there, you have to do addition. So if you will say that now I will write minus 3, minus 2. What you have to write? Again, same sign, addition. So 3 plus 2, you have to write 5. And now what we have to do? Big term sign. Who is big? 3 is big. So we have to write minus. Again here, who is big? 3 is big. Whose sign is positive? So we have to write plus 5. So again, same sign reference we are discussing. So more and more sums we can do it related with the same sign. Now if I will write here plus 13, plus 30. So I have to write plus 26. If I will write minus 13, minus 13. What I have to write? Minus 13, that is 26. And same sign always, same sign rule is addition. So 13 plus 13, 26. Minus always. Now you will see that who is big? 13 is always big. So we have to write minus. So clear now or not? So what is the concept related? When same sign is there, you have to do the addition and big term sign. Now you will think that if term is like that, if I will write like that, plus 7x, plus 7x. Now what you will get answer? Always remember, variable is called variable. So variable we have to put as it is. And 7, 14. Again, if you don't know, you can do like that. 7x plus 7x plus 7x. What you have to write? Variable as it is. Always same sign. Addition, you have to write plus 14x. So now someone say that what is the meaning of this variable? Variable cannot add. Variable we have to put as it is. These are the basic rule related with the addition and subtraction. So we are doing the basic rule with the addition. Means it may be variable, it may not be variable. Maybe possible you can get like that. 5x cube plus 7x cube. What do you write answer now? 5x cube plus 7x cube. Put variable as it is. We cannot change the variable. Now 5 plus 7, 12. Why we have to do like that? Because both have same sign. If same sign is there, what you have to do? Addition. That is a basic concept. Clear? Now we go on. These are all the basic rules. Now we go on difference of sign. Now we go on difference of sign. So if I will write plus 7x minus 5. First of all, we have to write the term. And minus 7 plus 5. What you will do at here? Again, difference of sign, always subtraction. Always remember subtraction. Same sign, always addition. So difference of sign, always subtraction. So in subtraction, plus 7 minus 2. So difference of sign, subtraction. That I have to write 2. Now plus minus, always difference of signs. What you have to do? Subtraction. Now what you have to do? Big term sign. Who is big term? Sign. Which sign you have to put up? Big term. So who is big term at here? Plus. So I have to write plus 2. Now here difference of sign, again subtraction. What you have to write? Big sign, that is minus. So you will imagine that plus 7 minus 5, that is plus 2. Why we have to do? Again different sign, subtraction, that is big. Difference of sign, subtraction. Difference of sign, subtraction. Here minus 2, here plus 2. Now we go on variable. Now we go on variable. Which variable? So you will think that yes sir, plus 7 minus 7, what you have? So difference of sign, subtraction, plus minus 0. Same sign is there. Difference of sign, but same digits are there. Now plus 5x minus 2x. Tell me what you will get answer at here. If you know, you can write the answer at here. Plus minus, always rule of subtraction. That is 3x. Big term sign, that is plus. Now if I write minus 9x square plus 2x square minus 9x square plus 2x square. What I have to write it here now? Difference of sign, do subtraction. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2, 7. Now big term sign is minus. And we have to put as it is square. So related with the same sign, always remember addition. Difference of sign, always remember subtraction. Either variable, whatever it should be. Variable should be x, y, x, y, z. In 8th standard there are different type of sum. 2abc minus 3abc. What you will get answer? Now again we have to put as it is abc. Difference of sign, here it is plus, it is minus. Difference of sign, subtraction, so I have to minus 3 minus 2, that is 1. Which big term is 3? Sign is negative. So that times the mark. Nice. Minus 7x square y square plus 2x square y square plus 3x square y square. Now what you can do? Such type of sums are there. Then again, first of all, you can do by this way. Same sign, always addition. So 3 plus 2, that is 5x square y square. Now minus 7x square y square. Now difference of sign, always subtraction. Difference of sign. Difference of sign, subtraction. 7 minus 2, that is 7 minus 5, that is 2. But big term sign, it is minus. So it is useful for 8, 9 and 10. Then in 8 there are 2 lessons in which we are doing this type of activities. But mostly in all lessons we are doing addition and subtraction. So it is useful. Now rules for multiplication. Because we are doing multiplication very much. Everywhere we are doing the multiplication. So what is the rule for multiplication? Again, rules of multiplication. So I am writing it here. Plus 2 into plus 3. Again I am writing plus 3 multiply by minus 2. Again I write minus 3 multiply by plus 2. Again I write minus 3 multiply by minus 2. So you will imagine that every time sign is most important in multiplication rules. Rules for the multiplication. Plus plus. So plus 2 multiplied by plus 2 multiplied by plus 3. Answer still to the 6. But when plus plus is there, always remember plus sign. So in multiplication, for when sign is addition, no need to change the sign. If you will see that plus plus always plus in multiplication, here it is in form of multiplication. But when minus is there, again 3 to the 6. Now here plus minus, minus in multiplication rule. Here it is a rule for multiplication. So 3 to the 6. How we remember it? How many times negative sign is there? It is 1 time negative sign is there. So whenever 1 time negative, again here it is 1 time negative sign is there. So again I have to write minus 6. But here negative sign is how many times are there? 2 times. So I have to write plus 6. So now basic rule related with, again we are doing some more sum, but basic rule related with it, when odd means 1, 3, 5, we can get always minus answer. Now we will check that minus 3 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by minus 5. How many times negative sign is there? Odd means 1, 2 and 3 times. So n is equal to 3. That is odd number. When n is equal to odd means negative sign 3 times is there, always write answer in negative. So now 3 to the 6, 6 5 are 30. Clear? Minus 3 into minus 2 into minus 5, that is minus 30. So again n is equal to odd, we have to write negative sign. Now n is equal to even. N is equal to even. Then answer is plus sign. So we can also check through practice. How many times are there? Even. So minus 2 multiplied by minus 5. How many times negative sign is there? 2 times. So it is even. So answer is plus 10. So what is the basic concept related with the negative when you are doing the multiplication? When negative sign is either in odd time or even time. If it is odd time, 3 times negative sign is, you can get answer always negative. But if it is in even time, negative sign is there in even time, you can get plus always. Clear? Now some related with it. So you can get basic understanding of it. If someone asks like that, minus 1 the power 3, what you will get answer? It is odd, we will get minus 1. Someone asks minus 2 the power 3, what you will get answer? Minus 8. How you will get answer minus 8? 2 to the 4 to the 8, but negative. So, but when even time is there, if I will write 2 the power 4, so 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, here all signs are positive. So 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16. So when even negative sign is odd, again if I am doing here minus, then answer is always plus. Answer is always plus because it is what it is here, it is even. When it is even, it is always positive. Now you can use for variable purpose also. When variable is there on that time, what we have to do in multiplication? If I will do minus 3 x square multiplied by minus 3 y square. Now if like that, then how many times negative sign is there? 2 times. So answer is positive. Now 3 3s are 9 and x square y square. If I will write 9 minus 3x square multiplied by 2x square multiplied by minus 4x square. Now what you are writing? So again how many times negative sign is there? 2 times. So even. So answer is positive. Now 3 to the 6. 6 for the 24. And now x the power 2, x the power 2, x the power 2, you will write x the power 6. Why I have to write x the power 6? If you will count how many x are there, 2, 2 and 2, total 6 x are there. So we have to write in power addition form. So these are all the rules related with the basic concept related with the addition and subtraction. Because I want to start one lesson, that is linear equation in one variable, that is chapter number 2. So before we start chapter number 2, it is important that you know the addition and subtraction and multiplication. These are all the 3 important things. That is why that is a basic today lecture for, that is a lecture to improve your basic maths. From next lecture we are doing the rules for the divisible. Okay, so again multiplication, addition, subtraction. So here 1 to 25 table anyhow you have to learn, 1 to 25 square anyhow you have to learn, and 1 to 10 cube anyhow you have to learn. These are all the important related with the improve your basic maths. Now and rules for addition, rules for subtraction, rules for multiplication, which is helpful you to solve the sum for 8th standard. Now for discuss with the homework. So for homework purpose we have to follow one Google Classroom. Maybe possible that tomorrow some link is given to you in Google Classroom. You have to follow this to show your homework. And link is already provided to you for maths and science and English and social and even though Gujarati and Sanskrit and Hindi. So you have to download all the books from it and you have to follow maths, English, social, whatever homework is given to you. Now at home you have to do more and more reading practice. You can also help your parents for doing some extra work. If you want to do some drawing purpose, science project, you can do it yourself. But maths lectures daily Monday and Tuesday. Thank you and stay at home and stay safe.